In this very short video, we're going to explain the things we can do for your customers that will help you meet your targets as a banker. And we'd like to do that by briefly showing you some of the elements of our methodology so you can see and judge for yourself how helpful and valuable it will be to both you and your customers. One of the first things we usually do for a business is to benchmark them against others in their industry and produce a simple one-page summary that shows how they compare, identifies their strengths and weaknesses, and estimates how much higher their profits and cash flow would be if they're able to emulate their more successful competitors. We then drill down another layer by using sensitivity software to show them their general options for improving their profits, such as pricing more profitably and converting more sales leads into actual sales. And we show them the impact of all the improvements. You'll also be pleased to know that we don't limit ourselves to your customers' businesses. We also create a personal balance sheet for them and their families. And we also use the personal balance sheet to help them understand the need to safeguard and protect their assets and ensure that they yield and grow at the right rate in order to fund their retirement and other future plans. And that process, of course, will help generate interest in insurance, pensions and other financial services, which should help you to meet your targets in those areas too. Through it, your customers become more financially successful and secure. Of course, not everything we do or have mentioned in this video is right for every customer, and this is categorically not a one-size-fits-all approach. So we always start the process by using diagnostic review software to produce a report identifying what has the potential to add the most extra money to their business and personal bank accounts. As a first step towards us making a start in using all of this to help you meet your targets, we'd be delighted to explain further any of the other things mentioned in this video. And we'd be delighted to do all of the following for your customers at no charge to them or to you. We'll gladly carry out a diagnostic review of their affairs to identify what they can specifically do to add the most extra cash to their business and personal bank accounts and present our findings in a detailed plain English report. As part of that diagnostic review, we'll also benchmark them against others in their industry. And as we said, we'll gladly do all of that for them for free so that you and they can begin to benefit straight away. How does all this compare to what other accountants do for you and your clients? And if you like what you see, when can we make a start?